In this video, we're going to show you where to do unit conversions on the C47 calculator running on a SwissMicros DM42n. So let's say you had 7 liters and you want to convert it into gallons, right? So one way to do it is you would have a unit conversion. 1 gallon equals 3.79 liters usually. That's what you learn in school. But the accuracy of that number is not really true. What it is 1 gallon really is 3.78541178 for liters. The accuracy of this, of course, you would have to look in a book or look at it in the table. So, and then gallons usually is GL probably. Okay, so to do this by hand, 7 liters, right? Put a cross here. We would put liters on the bottom, 3.7854117784 liters for every 1 gallon. You can cancel those out. 7 divided by 3.78541178. 4. Hopefully I put all the numbers right there. That gives you 1.849204, so forth. How do you do that in the calculator? Can it convert? Can it convert it? Yes. You press Shift and Convert, which is the number 5 button. It gives you different things to convert: power, energy, mass, and so forth. You could press volume. And here's something very interesting. Well, you can go from milliliters to fluid ounces, milliliters to fluid ounces, but from the UK, and this one's from the US. I didn't know that the gallon conversion to liters is different from the gallon conversion to the United States version. Anyway, how do we do this? Well, we got to press 7, which is the information they gave us. 7 liters, and I want to change it into gallons. So it's this one right here, liters to gallons. So you press the gallons US, and look at that, it matches. That's crazy. Every single number matches because we used a much more accurate conversion factor. Okay, so that's how brilliant this calculator is, the C47, and the accuracy of our answer. That's really neat, because if you would have used 3.79 here, you would have gotten not a very, is that right? You wouldn't have reached an accurate answer, and the C47 can do that for you. All right, I hope this was informative. Please tell your friends, your teacher. Please subscribe if you like this. Please give it a thumbs up. I hope you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.